How to measure with vPen with the iCON Trades software using iCON ICS50. First, select a suitable location for the instrument that allows you to reach all the required points. Connect to your instrument and remote in Device Manager. Press Quick Start or select an existing project to add a new job. Select 2D or 3D to begin measuring. The instrument will start leveling automatically. You can capture a panoramic picture now. Go to Targets and choose vPen. Bring the vPen in front of the camera. If you're far away from the instrument, you can use the arrow buttons on the remote to turn the camera towards you. Acoustic feedback in the app and in the remote will be given once the device starts to track your vPen. Choose one of the measuring settings on the tablet or the remote control. You can also use the buttons on the remote to define the desired option between points, lines and polylines. You can change that at any time. Holding the vPen perpendicular to the surface increases the accuracy. Thanks to the visual-based search and robust target lock, it does not matter which direction you are moving the Leica vPen. Its unique pattern is always reliably detected by the Leica iCON ICS50. Other acoustic feedback is given in cases of locking status combined with blinking. Just wait shortly till the tracking returns. You will also hear a special sound for a failure measurement. The working range from the vPen is from 70 centimeters up to 10 meters with an accuracy of 1 millimeter. If a mistake was made during the measuring process, press Undo button on the remote control to cancel your last action. You can always be sure that you are capturing the exact point or edge you want. The material, color, or even reflection or glass have no impact on the result.